Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Barbie's gingham dress on Dress to Impress, like her outfit. It's super easy to do. You do need VIP for the earrings, but if you don't want to use it, that's fine. You can't really see them anyways. Select this hair in color. I just colored it this color in toggle bangs only, and then this hair in the same color without any adjustments. Then I use this hair in the first toggle. I think I might just bring it up just a little bit. And then for this one, position the Y 0.58, Z 0.71, rotate the X to 0.63 and scale it the same. For the outfit, we are going to use this in this gingham pattern. Whoops. Then use these heels in like silk and in this pink color, E19FBD. And if you want the necklace and earrings, you need to go to VIP, but you can style the accessories however you want. I'm just going to use this one. And I'm just going to color everything white here. Did I even change any of the colors? Like, there. Then I'm going to use these flower earrings in VIP. Can't really see them that much and I can't really adjust them, so that's just gonna have to do. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!